Hello everyone, let's make a bar graph on Google Sheets and insert it on Google Slides. The first step is select your treatment groups and the value of the dependent variable. Then you go on insert and click on chart, and then you have your graph. Okay. The only problem with this graph is that you cannot insert error bars. You can bypass this problem by going to the chart editor setup and clicking on switch rows, use the column as header, and unclick it, use row 2 as labels. This way is going to allow Google Slides to identify each treatment group as a different series and therefore enable you to include error bars. Now to include error bars, go to Customize, click in Series, and then choose the series that you first want to implement the standard error. You can change the color of the series if you wish later on, but for now on, let's go to error bars, clicking error bars, and then to input the standard error value that you found in your experiment. In this example is 1.1. Click on constant and then modify it to 1.1. Okay, now you see the new error bar in here. For the treatment P, you do the same thing. Click on error bars, change to constant, and put the value of 2. And for treatment C, you go click again on error bars, constant, value of 0.1. Hey, now you have a graph. Second step, you can click on the graph and click again on copy chart. Go to your Google Slides and paste it with a link to a spreadsheet. After pasting it, you notice that you still wanna do some you still wanna edit your graph. So you can go back to your Google Sheets, and for instance, you wanna change the title. You go here, title, name. Your graph now has a different title, and if you go back to the Google Slides, you click on update. Now your graph is changed. It's important when you are pasting your graph on Google Sheets that of Google Sheets to Google Slides to make it linked. Otherwise, you will not be able to make these changes that I just did. Okay, have a good one.